This isn't a trailer for a $200 million movie.
Get it!
This is an AI experiment that went much further than I expected.
Higgsfield Cinema Studio will be mine.
I wanted to see if Higgsfield Cinema Studio could handle full-scale apocalypse filled with car chases, world-ending scenes, see if the motions remain consistent, the images, the faces remain consistent, and of course tell a totally coherent story. The secret was not the prompts this time, it was in the cinematography inbuilt in the Higgsfield Cinema Studio. Let me break it all down. Every AI video tool tells you they can provide Hollywood. By the time you run the prompt, you discover that the motions and the movements are not realistic, things are melting, and faces would never remain consistent. Higgsfield Cinema Studio understands cinematography, camera movements, cameras, camera lenses, and focal length. So it takes it to a whole new level. Now, it works in two phases. First of all, you create a perfect master frame. And then secondly, you extend it into a video using precise cinematic controls. Let me show you exactly what I mean. To access Higgsfield Cinema Studio, click the first link in the description box. And when you click it, it opens up like this. Now we have the image interface with my images generated, and we have the video interface. Now we're going to start off first with the image interface. What this needs is very simple prompting. Now, to create this my master frame of this my villain, I decided I wanted a villain that has a mix of Thanos and Loki. And so I used ChatGPT to generate a prompt for me, telling it I was going to run it on Higgsfield Cinema Studio. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini to generate your prompts, and it knows exactly what to do. So you come over here and then you paste your prompts. Now where things get really interesting is when you click the button over here, you see a vast array of different cameras. Okay, and these cameras produce a different kind of image,
giving you perfect control on your image composition, lighting, mood, and less character to generate your cinematic master frame.
So of course, when you generate your prompt with ChatGPT or Gemini, they tell you the exact cameras to use. So for this particular one, I'm going to be using Arri Alexa 35, and for my lens I'm going to be using the Lens Baby, and I'm going to leave my focal length to 24, and then we click generate. Generations use only 2 credits. Now the image is generated, and of course we have our base image. Now to even take this a step further, all you just do when you selected your base image, just go over here and click multi-shot. Now it generated me images of this my base character on different camera angles, top, bottom, side view, back view, all the views it generated. So I did this for all the other scenes that I required in that my short intro that you watch, from the car chase scenes to the people running away. I used my prompt to generate that, and then use the multi-scene shot to generate different scenes from that base image. Now let's go to turning this our masterpiece into a fantastic video. You need just very simple prompts, and this is how we are going to do it. Okay, you can decide to use a start and an end frame. For this case, I'm going to use only a start frame. So when you click the start frame, you're going to select any of the images you have previously generated. We said we are going to start off first with this scene of our people that were running away in chaos. So I'm going to go over and copy just a very simple prompt. So I've pasted my prompt. ChatGPT and Gemini can always help you with this prompt. Now here's what is amazing. You can select the kind of movements that you want your video to have. Zoom in, camera follows, pan left, pan right, so much. So for this my case, I'm going to be using camera follows, okay, as our movement. You can select the duration. We have between 5 and 10 seconds. 5 seconds is okay for me because I'm going to be cutting through multiple shots. Then you can decide to have sound on or sound off, generate it with sound or not. And then here you can have it to be slow motion or just regular motion. So once you've selected all this, you can just go ahead and click generate. It takes 8 credits to do this, and then it produces for you a fantastic video.
Higgsfield Cinema Studio will be mine.
Now I want my villain to say something. So I want him to just say a very simple sentence like says, "This is an AI experiment that went much further than I expected." So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go over to start frame, and you're going to select his image. So I'm going to select this image of him, and I'm going to write a simple prompt. I'm just going to say he says and put the words in parentheses. I'm going to leave everything as so. We are going to change the camera movement angles. Let's move it to orbit around, okay? And then we are going to do generate.
This is an AI experiment that went much, much further than I expected.
You can do that now for all the scenes you've generated, telling them how to move, telling them what to say, telling it how to act. And at the end of the day, you can piece this all together using any kind of video editing software that you like to use. This experiment proves it. AI can actually make Hollywood level edits, Hollywood level videos, and it's very easy. You don't even need to do so much. When you treat AI like film directing, you're selecting the cameras, you are selecting the shots, you're selecting the lens, you're selecting the movement of the cameras, you're going to have definitely a cinematic product. If you're ready to stop making AI videos and make AI cinema, Higgsfield Cinema Studio is the one for you, and it's going to be linked, the first link in the description box. You can go and try it out.
This isn't a trailer for a $200 million movie.
Get it!
This is an AI experiment that went much, much further than I expected.
Higgsfield Cinema Studio will be mine.
Now, for all the prompts I used in today's video, if you like to have it and you stayed up to this point, please just comment prompt in the description box and I will send the prompts to you immediately. Also, if you have any questions, any suggestions, anything you'd like to see on this page, please drop it for me in the comments. Of course, I'll get them to you. My name is Jayne. This is Everyday Life with Jayne. I am an AI coach and video editor professional with over 11 years experience. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more informative AI tutorials, experiments, and videos just like this. Before you go, you can watch the 2 videos by my side. You can learn something much more amazing from them. I'll see you guys on the next video.